Jumpstart your IPTV experience by effortlessly adding playlists in a few quick steps for ultimate streaming. Before we dive in, choose the best IPTV service. Consider options like 2TV.store for quality streaming. Once you've picked your provider, download their specific app to your device for easy configuration. Open your IPTV app on your smart device. Navigate to the Settings or Playlist section promptly. Now, locate the Add Playlist or Playlist Manager options to begin configuring your playlist. You can add playlists via M3 URL links or file upload. Copy your desired playlist link carefully. Input the playlist's M3 URL into the designated section of your app for seamless integration. Alternatively, upload an M3 file directly from your device if provided, ensuring compatibility. Once the playlist is added, wait for it to load. Expect channels to appear shortly thereafter. Check to see your favorite channels now listed in your IPTV interface, ready for exploration. If anything doesn't work, revisit the playlist URL or format. Troubleshoot settings as necessary. Ensure your chosen IPTV provider supports the playlist format you are attempting to integrate. Consider refreshing your system or app to update any changes made within the IPTV settings. Now, enjoy seamless streaming with fully integrated playlists on your IPTV service effortlessly. Discover the exclusive 2TV.store promo for uninterrupted access to a wide array of channels easily. Explore, experience, and expand your IPTV journey further by sharing or seeking additional tips.